Tips, tricks and techniques for better golfing. Golf can be a fun and exciting sport, although it may be quite difficult for some. The key to golfing is focusing on your technique and staying relaxed. This video will show you several tips and tricks on how to move your golf game up a notch and keep the game fun and interesting for you. If you're just taking up the game of golf, invest in some professional lessons. Developing an accurate golf swing is extremely difficult to do on your own. A professional can tell you exactly what you're doing wrong and what you're doing right. Once you develop a golf swing, it's hard to make changes. By taking lessons from a professional, you'll get it right the first time. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to never let your tools dictate your skill. Your skill should be independent of any equipment that you use, and better tools should only enhance your current ability. This is important to consider when it comes to golf clubs, as well as any accessories that you use. Make sure to keep your hands low during all of your follow-throughs. Doing this will allow you to lower the ball flight. This will also help the trajectory of every shot you take to be lower, and allow you to have better control over where you want the ball to go. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to make sure that you relax your knees and do not pop up when you make contact with the ball. This is important because it can cause you to hit the top of the ball, causing it go little distance. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to make sure you are aware of not only all of the rules, regulations, and jargon, but also golf course etiquette in general. There are many things that you do or do not do on a golf course that could put you in an uncomfortable situation quickly if not done correctly. Lastly, you should always remember to focus while you are playing. As mentioned in the beginning of this video, golf requires focus and concentration on your technique. Staying relaxed is another key component that will make the game easier for you. By following the tips listed in this video, you can improve your golf game and compete at the next level. This one secret, dead simple move, is so powerful and easy to learn, you'll start hitting powerful, accurate, flush golf shots in minutes. Visit secretgolfhack.com to learn all of this and more. Ben Hogan's real golf swing secret, that he took to his grave, is finally discovered. And it's unlike anything you've ever seen before. Visit secretgolfhack.com to discover the secret and more. Link in the description.